Here's another example of writing the slope-intercept form of the equation from 2 points. Remember the slope-intercept equation here, y equals mx plus b. First of all, we're going to find slope. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then I'm going to remember to start with my y's. That's my rise. Here's my y values. I'm going to circle those so that I remember to start with the y's, not the x's. Since 8 is larger than negative 10, I'm going to start with 8. 8 minus a negative 10 over what is my run. So since I started with 8, I need to start with negative 8, this x. Negative 8 minus 1. Well, 8 minus a negative 10, that's actually 8 plus 10, that would be 18. And negative 8 minus 1, that would be the same thing, negative 8 plus a negative 1, that would be negative 9. Well, hey, this one's not a fraction because 18 divided by a negative 9 is actually negative 2. So my slope here actually turned out to be an integer answer. So that actually kind of makes things a little fun. So now that I found my m, I'm going to now find my b. So to solve for b, I need to know what y, m, and x are, and I can use either of my ordered pairs, this one or this one. Well, I like working with the number 1, so again, I'm going to choose this second equation. It doesn't matter, I can use either one. So I am going to start with y equals mx plus b as my form, and I'm going to use the ordered pair 1, negative 10. Well, what is y for my ordered pair? Negative 10 equals, what is m that I just solved for? Over here, negative 2. What is x? X right here is 1 plus b. Be careful not to switch around your x and your y. So my y here, negative 10, my x is 1. So negative 10 equals negative 2 times 1, negative 2 plus b. Now I'm going to add 2 to both sides in order to solve for b. And negative 8 is equal to b. Now that I have my m and my b, I'm going to substitute those into the y equals mx plus b. So again, y equals mx plus b is the form I'm going for, but in my final version, all I have to replace is the m and the b. So y equals m that I solved for, negative 2, x, and b is a negative again, so I'm going to put minus 8. If it was positive, I'd put plus, but it's not. Hey, I'm going to check my work this time. So since the other ordered pair is negative 8, 8, I'm going to check my work. So this is my answer. I write the equation on the line that goes through these points, and I did. Y equals negative 2x minus 8. If it works, if it's true, then the other point should make this equation true. Remember when we check systems of equations. So 8 equals, does it equal, negative 2 times negative 8 minus 8. Well, 8, does that equal? Negative 2 times negative 8 is 16 minus 8. Well, 8 does in fact equal 8. So yes, it works. This is true. So, what does that mean? My answer is correct. And it would have worked either